In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode on eToro. If you prefer a darker screen that feels easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments, this is a quick setting you can change directly inside the platform. The process is simple, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment. To get started, open eToro and make sure you're logged into your account. From the main interface, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find several navigation options for your account and platform settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage how the platform looks and behaves. Once you're inside Settings, the next thing you want to do is select Display. This section controls appearance-related options, so if you're looking to change the visual style of eToro, this is the right place. Click on Display to open those appearance settings. After the display page opens, look near the top of the page for the Themes section. This is where eToro lets you choose how the interface appears on screen. If you don't see it right away, just take a second to scan the top portion of the page, since that's where it should be located. When you find the theme options, click on Dark. This will apply the dark theme to the platform. In most cases, the change happens right away, so you won't need to save anything manually or restart the app. As soon as you select it, the interface should update and switch into dark mode. Once the change is applied, you'll notice that the background becomes darker, and the overall appearance is easier to view for many users, especially during evening use or long trading sessions. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same theme section and choose a different option. That's all there is to it. You opened Settings, went to Display, located the Themes section, selected Dark, and the eToro interface immediately switched to dark mode. Thanks for watching.